Okay, so technically this is my first unboxing. I did the other one on the fuel system last night, and I did this one in November. But anyway, since the truck is a Serial 2 truck and the ECM that's controlling the engine and the transmission is now canbus, they don't communicate with each other. So I wouldn't be able to see any of the parameters or any of the gauges. So I had to use this Powertune digital screen in order to get the info I need, like oil pressure, temperature, got IETs, boost, battery voltage, all these other things that you pretty much need in order to be safe while you're driving. But I have commentary on the actual video itself, so I'll let that play. Alright, so they got these different backgrounds that you pretty much you can either fully customize or you could do a preset. Like I know GTR was a preset, has nothing to do with GCR, that's just the name of it. And damn, screen going down, import, you do GTR, and all this stuff loads in. And you can have a bunch of screens. It connects to your GoPro, it connects to GPS, it actually connects to the internet. I got it connected to my Wi-Fi. It has all this, you know, shift lights, max RPM, speed correction. You can do knock, I guess gear warnings, like temperature when it's starting to overheat, boost, revs, knock, different gears, and a lot of the stuff is like so the dyno, they were saying something about you can log your like horsepower, torque. They got the lap timer, do laps real time. That's like actually my address, main dash. I know I sent you a video of this kinda. And then let's see. That's the same thing as that. I know this video like kind of long as shit, but